Give me back my kidney and my mother. I'm married.
Can you give him back his kidney?
In kidney no dey work.
The man that trained you in school from year 1 to your final year donated your kidney. Can you pay him back the kidney he gave to you?
Anyone can donate kidney.
Anyone can donate kidney.
Out of love.
He did it out of love.
No, they make him be like saying a big deal. I appreciate. I told you I'm sorry. I appreciate, but I can't marry him.
I don't say don't try.
You don't say yourself.
Do everything.
You don't say yourself. You don't say yourself.
Hey, now
You don't
by
say
choice.
leave.
Get out.
This is my daughter.
Get
I don't want
Get out.
anything.
I say get out.
We be say tomorrow you go regret. Say nobody give you advice.
Hello guys, you get one proverb when people they always talk. The proverb they always go like this, like mother, like daughter. I don't want just talk too much. Just watch this video when I want to show now. Make una see where this couple get learn all these are bad characters from. Just watch the video.
You again get out from my compound.
Close that gate, well.
Get back. I said get out from my compound.
Mommy, good day now. Good day.
Get out from my compound.
Nah, your husband invite us. Or you want invited us?
Woman, I invite.
I invite this in.
Fabella, you invited who? I said get out.
You're welcome, my son.
You people get out from my compound.
Who's gonna problem?
No.
Allow them.
I don't want them to come here. Not be here they sit.
You know when them to call you. What of the time when they call you, when they bring things come for you?
Bring waiting.
You don't know what thing they
bring.
You don't know both
You are alive.
both rights,
Somebody
both
they
everything,
bring something for
both
me
pay our
and for
daughter's
my
school
dad.
fees.
I said you are alive. You are alive. Somebody they bring thing for me. Waiting they bring for me.
The time when they bring and you forget.
You are busy. You are big for nothing. You no go feed us. You are look for another person to come and feed me and your daughter.
Mommy, don't.
Fabella,
Mommy.
respect yourself now. If you don't respect yourself, I will slap you. I will slap you.
Woman,
I said I will slap you.
Now you marry me, na me marry you for this house.
Now me marry you.
How woman they marry man? Sit down.
I go marry you. As you don't know, you are right here. You don't know your right.
I don't know my right.
You don't know.
Like a mother, like a daughter. Like a mother, like a daughter.
Now so your father.
Let me say where you take keep me for this house.
They keep you waiting.
My son,
you are follow man.
Advice.
They walk. Okay. They go work.
Let me advise you.
They say yeah.
Besides this woman, they worry me.
They worry me.
Saying daughter go still worry you.
It's lie. It's lie.
This my daughter no dey go any message.
Talk anything where you want. Talk anything where you want.
No your mama get.
Talk anything where you want.
Men no come carry load wey you no go fit carry. I don't say you don't try.
You don't say yourself.
Do everything.
You don't say yourself. You don't say yourself.
Hey, now
You don't
by
say
choice.
You
You did it out of love.
I think you see her.
You tell am say.
That time when they come,
You are
they
alive.
laugh.
They happy.
Then they happy.
Another person.
Everything that tell me they carry everything. Even if me help you father, they no dey give me anything.
For your daughter.
When they go, then they laugh me. That's why I think you don't see her.
To train your child,
Mommy,
pay for school fees, to feed your children. You come and see. Give them advice. I don't want her. Get out.
Leave.
Get out.
This is my daughter.
Get out.
I don't want.
Get out.
Anything.
I say get out.
We be say tomorrow you go regret. Say nobody give you advice.
What are you still talking rubbish again?
Daddy, make I tell you the whole truth.
Are you still talking rubbish again?
I
This
love
man,
her with all my heart.
respect yourself.
Daddy, knows I give her kidney. I give her kidney.
They do not tell you.
I give her kidney when she know where. When she know where for
You are
hospital.
alive.
They do not tell you.
You are alive.
Daddy,
You people do not tell me.
Another person
make I
they
tell
give
you.
your
Daddy,
daughter.
if no be Bella,
It's
I
lie.
go die.
It's lie.
If Bella marry me,
It's lie.
I go live long. So I don't choose to marry Bella.
No.
Make she dey lazy.
I say get out.
I like her.
Get
Make she
out.
no dey baff.
It's over
I go baff
my
am.
dead
Make she no sabi
You
cook.
no go marry my daughter.
I go wash
You no
clothes,
go
clean
marry my
house.
daughter.
Daddy, I
I
dey
say
you
you no
know.
go marry.
No.
I
You're
dey
very
farm.
hard working guy.
So nothing
You're
I
very
go
hard
fit
working
do.
guy.
What
I
of
go
you?
marry am.
Mommy,
You no go
Mommy
marry.
don't
Mommy.
do now. Mommy,
You no
mommy,
go
I like
marry
that
am.
they talk now.
mommy,
No go marry am.
mommy,
No go marry am.
mommy.
Should I tell you I no wan come here?
If
I tell you I no
you
wan come here. See,
agree
problem go dey for
I
house.
invite, see, mommy.
Man,
I wan say I no
Now you
wan
want
marry
marry
am.
am.
I no wan come here.
I go marry am.
If your
my
daughter say like her, now you want marry
another
am.
person go come.
Another person.
Another
Because
person
you don't chop this one.
Another person no
finish.
come
You want
soon.
another
Another person no come.
Another
Now I
person
don
go
suffer.
come.
You go pay the one where you don't chop for
Now
this, my
because
son.
you no take care of us. That's why you dey listen for stupid boy. I said
Ah,
get
the
out for
stupid
my.
boy?
Yes.
Oh, the time when they bring
Yes.
something come, no be
They
stupid
bring
boy.
they bring
You go
wetin.
hear am.
They bring. You are
You don't
alive.
forget. You
You are
don't
alive.
forget. You and your daughter.
You are alive.
Go on and they laugh.
Another person they feed their family.
Mommy, I fit talk something.
Hey.
Mommy, I fit talk something.
You dey talk
Mommy,
wetin?
I fit talk something.
Talk.
And-
If you talk wetin I no want, I go comot you here.
Go come out am here.
Yes, it's my compound.
Mommy.
Na
Your husband compound say it's a
Yeah.
Na
compound.
my compound, no be our
compound,
compound.
Mommy.
Eh?
I'm sorry. Ahamu Daniel.
Daniel.
Yes. The daughter is the person that wants to renounce the covenant between her and her so-called lover, the new one. Your husband here invited me to come with this young man. Mommy, if this young man was to be your son, after no cry, I beg, no cry. After spending on your daughter, to the extent of donating kidney, this young man actually trained your daughter from year 1 till the university education. No talk you now, man, you get problem. This young man was also the one that took care of you, according to him, when you were sick. This young man also donated kidney to your daughter. When she was about dying. Now, mommy, you were a mother. You are a mother. What will you gain? What will you gain? In chasing this young man away? I see the way you are insulting your husband. This is online. People are watching this thing. Mommy, this is your husband. I don't know. You marry, maybe you marry him. With this problem, I can tell my daughter not to restore your home, restore the covenant between she and her. I called this young man here for this young man to see things and reason, so everything can be broken. Covenant, the oath they took. Mommy, I like the way you're calm. I like the way God is using you now. Mommy, happy your husband.
A good man, oh.
The way I'm seeing things now, it's not good. You, how do you feel getting married to another man that did not do anything for you? The man that trained you in school from year 1 to your final year donated your kidney. Can you pay him back the kidney he gave to you?
Answer.
Anyone can donate kidney.
Anyone can donate kidney.
Out of love.
He did it out of love.
No, they make am like saying a big deal. Yeah, I appreciate. I told you I'm sorry. I appreciate, but I can't marry him.
You can't marry him.
God
Do you
will
hear?
reward them now.
Do you hear her?
She no
Besides,
tell me since.
we
Nana,
need
you
to
tell me.
offer. And he
Which
refused
offer? I
to-
don't want to offer. Give me back my kidney and my mother. I'm married.
Can you give him back his kidney?
In kidney no dey work. Is he not alive?
He's just with one kidney.
Why God
Person
give
for sick bed. We don't under house.
Why they give it to no be
There's a consent form for you. Who signs consent form for you? To you to bring kidney. When you bring kidney to put my daughter.
Mama no be used to make her
Why?
head
Why?
business. Mama no be used to make her
I
head
don't
business.
know of this.
Why God give una 2 kidney? No be make you borrow one.
Okay.
Okay, make her borrow one.
Why you
Then
don't
na
have-
one na borrow
Okay,
na.
I don't
you have
want
to.
to.
And we can still be friends.
Which kind of thing?
Ha.
Calm
Na
down.
no be by force to marry
My
person.
son. My son.
Are you aware that
Only advice.
if this man refused, sorry,
Sorry.
are you aware that if this man, sorry, Ndo, are you aware that if this man refused to denounce that oath with you, your life will be useless. You will not
But he's
marry.
refusing already now. I'm go still find another way. Well, he's refusing already. He's proving stubborn. And
Do you know your I like the way your mom says reasoning things. And mom is scam. Do you know that? Do you know that? What you sow to other people, they will sow it to you.
this is a Nigerian movie.
Are you aware that he cost you?
With what?
Your mama will come and ask for me water. You know the way my mama pour me
And
water?
I said sorry now. No be
You said
sorry.
sorry.
I pour you water because
Daddy,
I told
why you pour me
you
water from my own house?
not to.
For your own house.
use my-
You go further, go in.
Fight me.
You need them. You need them.
They insult me.
I don't even know all these things when you're in daughter.
You need them.
I don't know all
That's
these
why
things when
you
you're in
destroy
daughter.
your family.
That's why I
Then you make
advise you
us
say,
to
just
behave.
leave this a daughter.
And
let
what
of them
again?
leave than to dey give you trouble as they give me. You dey here dey say am wetin dem dey do me.
I go give you trouble. Na me go marry you.
None of them don ask me whether I don chop.
I go marry
Na
you.
you marry am.
Never. Na me marry am. This man.
Na you pay my back rent.
Na me marry you.
You marry me.
Man. Na
Here
me
na your
marry
papa
you.
house. Go your papa house.
Na I no
Mommy,
Go
go.
your
don't
papa
do,
house.
mommy,
Here na
don't
my
do,
papa house.
don't
I go.
do.
Na me marry you.
How you marry me? Here na my
Eh.
papa house. Go your papa house.
Stay. I go show you the place where you go stay. I go
For my papa house again.
You
Go your
know
papa
me.
house. Here
You
na my
don't know
papa
me.
house. Na me marry you.
don't
Na
know.
me pay that for you.
I think you are recognizing me as a bad
Make I
man.
reason you something. Come. Make I reason you something. See. To be sincere with you, I will advise you to make you leave this family. I will advise you to leave this family. I will allow you to leave this family alone. Allow me to leave this family alone. I'll allow me to leave this family alone. Move on. This family is not worth it. Family is not worth it. This has to take quarrel. Now, what you want face for life as a man? What you want face for man as a listen?
I go do now. I go leave the girl. I will break the covenant until I get with her.
That is the best thing to do. Break the covenant. Every disadvantage is the problem. That's in the quarrel. That's in the quarrel.
Listen,
And this is what we won't get.
God forbid. God forbid.
I will advise you to take the car and the million naira. I can even donate you. Can even give you 2 million naira at the national if I have something doing.
You added 2 million naira to me.
Yes, bro.
Come on, don't try. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
If
Thank
you marry me,
So-
you come and
so-
kill me and kill my daughter. No go work, oh. No go work. Look, let me tell you, I say you no go work. You no go work. You no go work.
When you wanna chop,
You no go work. You no go work. Let me tell you, I say you no go work. You no go work.
call me.
You no go work.
So tell you wanna leave
No
my
go
house.
work, oh.
Wanna leave my house.
I
Go
live
fix my
in your
house. Go
house.
pour am water.
Yes, I dey do am with right.
Daddy,
Eh?
I don't dey go.
Okay, my
Go,
son.
go, go.
I don't dey go.
My son. So just take my advice.